Next company is Tetragram, and they aim to be the Yelp of the cannabis industry. And there's nothing like an entrepreneur finding an opportunity created by variations in regulation. Cannabis is legal in a lot of states, but the federal government doesn't still consider that it a legal operation. So, Otha Smith has formed a company, Tetragram, to help bridge that gap and provide information for consumers. So, Otha, take it away.
All right. So, hello, everyone. My name is Otha Smith, and I'm the CEO and founder of Tetragram. So, as they mentioned, Tetragram is a mobile app that is positioned to be the Yelp of the cannabis industry. Currently 33 states have legalized cannabis for medicinal or recreational use, resulting in over 4,000 different strains of cannabis, hundreds of packaged products, and several different ways to consume cannabis. But with so many strains and packaged products to choose from, it makes the retail experience very challenging for even the most experienced cannabis consumer to decide which product will work best in addressing a medical condition or for recreational enjoyment. Which is why we built Tetragram, a platform that empowers cannabis consumers, or CBD consumers with that matter, with the ability to keep track of the products they purchase, rate the effectiveness of that product, and then share those personal experiences with others. Now, over time, consumers will become more knowledgeable about the effects of the various products on the market and be able to make more educated buying decisions. Because the problem is simple. Since cannabis remains classified as a Schedule I drug by the federal government, very little research has been conducted to understanding the effects of cannabis use, both positive and negative. Therefore, consumers don't have the luxury of relying on their primary care doctor for advice or clinical studies for guidance. And consequently, dispensary staff are at a loss when it comes to having a clear understanding on how these products that they sell every day are ultimately affecting the customer, which leads the customer to self-diagnose through trial and error, until they eventually find a product that meets their needs. But with the enormous amount of products to choose from, consumers can quickly become frustrated and don't know where to start. Now, given the size of the cannabis industry, this problem is huge. Currently more than 35 million people in the U.S. use cannabis on a regular basis. And this year alone, the cannabis industry is projected to reach $24 billion and has an 18% growth rate each year. If we look at it from a global perspective, cannabis sales are projected to reach $73 billion by 2027. And so this lack of information is the reason why Tetragram is a solution not only for consumers, but for dispensaries, product manufacturers, and the medical professionals. By providing consumers with an easy-to-use, HIPAA-compliant, intuitive app that gives them the ability to keep track of products purchased, but more importantly, give them the ability to rate the effectiveness of that product, consumers will finally start to understand which product and consumption method is working best for them. Tetragram also allows users to share their personal experiences with others so that over time, people become more educated about what might work for a particular medical condition. And the aggregate data that we collect will provide unparalleled insight into understanding the effects of the various cannabis and CBD products on the market like never before. And in addition, Tetragram allows dispensaries, product manufacturers, and cultivators with the ability to send push notifications directly to the customer. Our business model is pretty straightforward. Tetragram is free for the consumer to download from the App Store or Google Play, while dispensaries, product manufacturers, and doctors will pay a monthly subscription for access to our data, along with the ability to advertise their products and services and send push notifications directly to the customer. We offer 3 different subscription packages to choose from, ranging from $350 to $750 per month. And we also have a white label solution for research opportunities that's gaining a lot of momentum as we speak. We released the MVP of Tetragram on July 10th of 2020 with 0 marketing assistance. And since then, we have over 50% of the dispensaries in our home state of Maryland that promote Tetragram to their customers. And we have gained the interest of several national operators that have over 100 retail locations throughout the country, and they're excited to utilize version 2 of our platform as well. To date, we have over 70 dispensaries and multiple independent medical professionals that recommend Tetragram to their patients as well. In terms of our team, I'm the CEO and founder of Tetragram in charge of business development, while Lucas Rowe is our CDO in charge of the design and user experience of the application. Julius Moore is our CTO, and he handles the API integration and the general functionality of the application. So we are asking for a $750,000 investment to help us continue to grow Tetragram nationwide to really become the Yelp of the cannabis industry. And this investment will help us build out and deploy version 2, which is our revenue generating model, in addition to help us hire initial marketing and sales personnel. I want to thank you for your time here today, and I look forward to speaking with you more in the breakout room.